Did it take it? Oh no, crap, it's recording.
Mom!
Ah!
You okay? You okay, Annie?
Lesbian. Okay, it's recording now. Go ahead. Be sexy. Ride it. Throw your hair back. Oh yeah. Action.
What am I doing?
Just be sexy. Like for a music video. Ooh. Brittany, I hope they're not looking.
I really do too.
Keep going. Brittany. It's recording. Put it back. Do it again.
We can't redo that.
Stop. Yes, you can.
Look what I've done to her.
Look at her. Hey, Anna. What's going on? Corner for a punishment.
I can see you there.
You didn't see her there. Yes, that was so good.
Oh
Here's the culprit right here.
Alright, I have to go throw a load in. And I'm very sorry. I'll never do that to you again. You're worth more than that.
She's still like sitting in the corner. Oh, this is so good.
Oh my god. Seriously though, you're worth more than that.
Wink at the camera, honey. Say hi to the camera.
I feel horrible.
No, you don't. You're just saying that because the camera's on.
Anna, I'll never put you in the corner again.
Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Anna was baby.
Baby? From Dirty Dancing? Are you kidding me? Nobody puts baby in the corner.
Yeah, when I saw that, I saw like half of it at different intervals. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry.
How violated you feel right now?
Violated?